Fast fat loss is a goal that many people aspire to achieve, but it's essential to approach it in a healthy and sustainable way. Healthy and balanced meals should be included in your diet, as they provide all the essential nutrients needed by your body. Here are the 3 fast fat loss recipes, which are nutrient-dense and lower in calories. 1. Grilled chicken and vegetable stir-fry. Ingredients: 4 ounces, 113 g, boneless, skinless chicken breast, cut into strips, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 bell pepper, sliced 1 cup sliced mushrooms, 1 clove garlic, minced 1 tablespoon low-sodium soy sauce or tamari, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large skillet or wok, heat the olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the chicken strips and cook until lightly browned and cooked through. Remove from the skillet and set aside. In the same skillet, add the minced garlic and stir for a few seconds until fragrant. Add the broccoli, bell pepper, and mushrooms to the skillet. Cook for a few minutes until the vegetables are tender crisp. Return the cooked chicken to the skillet and drizzle with soy sauce or tamari. Toss everything together until well combined. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve hot and enjoy. 2. Quinoa and avocado salad. Ingredients: 1 cup cooked quinoa, 1 ripe avocado, diced 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1 4-cup diced red onion, 1 4-cup chopped fresh cilantro juice of 1 lime, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, combine the cooked quinoa, diced avocado, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and chopped cilantro. Drizzle the olive oil and lime juice over the salad. Toss everything together until well mixed. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Serve as a refreshing and nutritious salad. 3. Baked salmon with lemon and asparagus. Ingredients: 4 ounces, 113 g, salmon fillet, 1 bunch of asparagus spears, 1 lemon, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon dried dill, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat the oven to 400° F, 200° C. Place the salmon fillet on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Arrange the asparagus spears around the salmon on the baking sheet. Drizzle the olive oil over the salmon and asparagus. Sprinkle with dried dill, salt, and pepper. Place lemon slices on top of the salmon. Bake in the preheated oven for about 15-20 minutes or until the salmon is cooked through and flakes easily with a fork. Serve with a side of steamed vegetables or a green salad. It is a gradual and steady process.